Hey there, money makers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best and most innovative ways to boost your earnings from the comfort of your own home. If you're looking to add some extra cash to your pockets, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of money-making websites and apps that can pay you within 24 hours. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Google Opinion Rewards. Maybe you've heard that you can make money online taking surveys. But we all know that most of these survey websites are complete and utter scam, and you may end up making only a few dollars for hours worth of work. However, the general consensus based on 2.6 million reviews is that Google Opinion Rewards is different, and it actually works for starters. Google Opinion Rewards is brought to you by the same company behind Google, which is Google, and while it's easier for smaller survey websites to scam you, Google is one of the largest companies in the world and is likely going to follow through with their promise to pay you for doing surveys. Google Opinion Rewards lets you take very short surveys lasting just a few seconds and earn money doing so. You can take these surveys during the ride home from work at night in bed. Simply download the app on your iPhone or Android device and answer a few basic questions about yourself. You'll then start to get notified anytime a survey is ready for you to take, with the money being sent directly to your account. Enroll. So, what exactly is EnrollApp.com? Well, it's a user testing and market research platform that connects companies with everyday people like you and me. The companies want to get valuable feedback on their websites, apps, products, and services. And guess what? They're willing to pay us for our honest opinions. Signing up for EnrollApp.com is simple and free. Just head over to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to create an account with your basic information. After setting up your account, you'll start receiving testing opportunities. These can include website evaluations, app testing, surveys, and more. Each test usually takes around 5 to 20 minutes, and you'll be paid for completing them. The amount you can make varies depending on the complexity and duration of the tests. On average, you can earn anywhere from $5 to $20 per test. Some longer and more specialized tests can pay even more. Second to none. Next up, Second to None seems to be a platform that connects businesses with consumers who are willing to provide feedback on their products and services. Essentially, it's a market research platform that relies on customer reviews and opinions. The process is simple and straightforward. To get started, you'll need to create an account on their website. Don't worry, it's completely free and easy to sign up. Once you're in, you'll have access to a variety of money-making opportunities. Filling out your profile accurately helps Second to None match you with relevant tasks and surveys. Regularly check the website for new opportunities to increase your earnings. Remember, it won't make you rich overnight, but with dedication and consistency, you can definitely see your earnings grow. FOAP. Moving along, we have FOAP. FOAP is a popular mobile app that connects photographers, both amateur and professional, with potential buyers looking for high-quality and authentic images for their marketing, advertising, and creative projects. Available on both iOS and Android, FOAP offers a user-friendly platform where you can upload your photos and reach a vast network of potential buyers. It's a great way to monetize your photography skills while doing what you love. Make your best shots and upload them to your FOAP profile. Make sure they're of high quality and visually appealing to catch the attention of potential buyers. Once your photos are live on FOAP, buyers can browse through the marketplace and select images that suit their needs. When someone purchases your photo, you earn money. FOAP splits the revenue with you, and you can cash out through PayPal or request a wire transfer. Market Force. So, how does Market Force operate? It's simple, really. Once you sign up and create your profile, you'll have access to various assignments based on your interests and location. These assignments might include mystery shopping at local stores, dining at restaurants, or taking online surveys. As you complete assignments, you'll provide detailed feedback about your experiences. Your evaluations help companies improve their services, and they greatly appreciate your efforts. MarketForce often offers special promotions, bonuses, or contests, boosting your income potential even further. The rewards can include cash, gift cards, discounts, or even product samples. Additionally, by highlighting exceptional businesses through your positive reviews, you support local establishments and encourage others to patronize them. This way, you contribute to building stronger communities and supporting small businesses. GigWalk. Next up we have GigWalk. GigWalk is an innovative and user-friendly platform that connects individuals like you with businesses and organizations that need small, on-demand tasks completed. These tasks, also known as gigs, can vary from checking store displays and taking photos of products to verifying business locations and gathering data. It's like being a secret shopper, but for a wide range of tasks. The best part of GigWalk is, of course, getting paid for your efforts. Once the gig client approves your work, you'll receive your payment directly into your GigWalk account. From there, you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal account. Snapwire. Moving along, we've got Snapwire for you. In Snapwire, you can sell your pictures to brands around the world and earn top dollar doing so. In addition to photos, you can also sell videos, graphic design, and artwork. There are essentially two ways for you to make money on this app. The first way is by uploading quality photos, graphic designs, and videos to your portfolio, and when somebody buys something from you, well, you'll earn a commission. The second way is by participating in challenges or contests that clients put up. There's a list of requirements, and if your photo or video or graphic design meets those requirements, the client will likely choose yours as the winner, thus paying you more money. Scribey. If you're a good listener and you can also type really well on the computer, then you can make money from the comfort of your home transcribing audio or video. Scribey is a transcription service that companies can use to transcribe things such as speeches, recordings, meetings, phone conversations, and even YouTube videos. A lot of companies will pay top dollar for this service, and all you need to get started is a computer, an internet connection, and a PayPal account so that you can get paid, and a good keyboard with some good risk support might be a good investment as well. Beginners can earn as much as $800 per month transcribing, while more advanced typers can earn up to $3,200, all from the comfort of your home. Field Agent. Some of the world's largest companies use Field Agent to perform various tasks for their business, and it's a great way for you to earn extra money. Doing these simple tasks using the app, you can gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks, and many of these tasks can be done while doing things that you would normally do anyways, such as taking pictures of marketing material in stores to make sure that they're being presented properly. Plus, your feedback helps companies to deliver the best products and experience possible, and so not only are you making money, but you're also potentially helping millions of other people. There are millions of people already making money with Field Agent, and so this is definitely a legitimate way to make money, and the best part is that the app will pay you immediately after you finish a task. Fiverr. Last, but certainly not the least, we have Fiverr as our finalist in the list. Fiverr is one of the renowned platforms that you may have already heard about. You can sell actual services on Fiverr, such as designing logos or editing videos or creating NFT artwork, but those things require skills. But the point here is that you can quite literally make money doing virtually anything with Fiverr. So even if you don't have a specific skill that you're good at, such as writing or drawing or singing, you can still make money by being clever, creative, or funny. Depending on how you approach this, you could end up making a lot of money. There are a lot of people making well over 6 figures per year on Fiverr. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you found these money-making websites and apps as exciting and promising as we did. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities waiting for you to explore. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.